So now that we've waited the 2 hours for our glue to dry, our trebuchet is ready to launch. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to load it and launch it. So we've got our trigger string ready to go. And I've got my box. Now my counterweight box is empty right now. What to put in it is really up to you. You want the densest material you can find. Coins make great material. Rocks, car keys when you're in a pinch. What I'm going to go ahead and use today are some sockets, like wrench sockets. So I'm going to go ahead and pour those in. Dropped one, every ounce counts. So I've got my weight in there now, and you can tell it's swinging a little bit better. I've got my bouncy ball here. So I'm going to go ahead and put my bouncy ball in the pouch. And I'm sliding this hole of this pouch over top of this release pin here so that it hangs freely like that. Now I'm going to take my trigger and have that ready. Pinch the pouch like this with your hand. Don't pull on the arm with the pouch like that. Pinch it and lower the arm like this. It'll keep the pouch from tearing over time. And as I lower these down, all three of these eye screws will line up, and then go ahead and slide your trigger through there so that the string is hanging off, but the metal cotter pin is touching all three of the eye screws. And then as you saw me do, just lower your pouch down. Make sure the ball is tucked in there nice and tight. And you want to make sure these two straps aren't crossed or twisted. We want those nice and straight so that when it launches, it's as smooth of a motion as possible. Now, when you're doing this, stay away from this part of the trebuchet because that's what's going to move. If something slips, this will swing up, and it swings up pretty quickly. So I want you to be careful. So always keep yourself to the side of it. And then when you're getting ready to launch, make sure you look to see what's downrange from you. We don't want you hitting anything that shouldn't be hit with a bouncy ball. And when it's time, just take a step back and just give a quick little pull on that and go ahead and launch your bouncy ball. We enjoy launching lots of things. One of the things with trebuchets is anything that fits will ship. So you can launch raspberries, you can launch M&Ms, you can launch Army Men, you can launch bouncy balls as you just saw. Anything you'd like, you can go ahead and launch with that. And the last little thing we have with it is I have a pair of pliers here because this metal release pin at the top is adjustable. You can use your pliers to bend it back or forward to change the launch angle to get more distance or more height. If you want to make it go higher, you're going to want to bend this pin back this way, and that'll cause this to slide off a little bit earlier and give you a higher launch angle. If you want it more of a lower launch, you want to bend that forward, and the same thing. It'll launch lower. Have a lot of fun. Let us know what you come up with. Send us videos. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.